At the scrapyard, the other scrapyard I go to, I got some copper that I strip. We'll see how that does. Some mixed brass pieces and some regular wire and some batteries, and we'll get these all turned in and let's see how we do this morning. I just this stuff I bust off. I know some of you will hit me on like, hey, break this down even more. Hey guys, I only got so much time. I got a lot on my plate, so I just stack it and we're gonna sell it and make some money. Look at that mountain of steel, baby. It's a good day to be alive in Southern California. Okay, let's get the grind going onto a cart here. Let's go, Grandpa. Hey, pro tip, some people bring these into AutoZone or O'Reilly and get like a $10 or more credit. When I happened to be by one, I went in, asked them about it. They didn't even have the gift cards there. And I says, you know what? I'm just going today to the scrapyard. I'd rather see if they'll take them and give me some recycle for it and get paid today. Though that's not a bad idea to get those store credits from those types of auto supply type stores. Prohibited items. Oh man, a lot of goodies on there. No phone cables. I see that. I got one of those. It was just broken off. Somebody gave it to me. Can't even bring it in. All right, good stuff. I love it. Thank you, everybody.
¿Qué pasó, David?
So we gotta wait. We'll see how we do. That is one big mountain of steel. Smells a little bit like it's on fire. Nice machine. Wow. All right, tail of the tape, and this is a cool little Saturday haul. You could always check out our prices, but like that strip wire that I did came in to 34 bucks, $3.10 a pound for number 2 out here today. The other old wire did pretty good. That big pile of yellow brass did all right, $1.20 a pound, and then the better stuff, the yellow brass was $2.10, but it's a nice little haul for the day, $3.40. Get out there, stack those better metals, and today I was at SA Recycling, so thank you so much. Get out there and hustle. Appreciate you guys for watching. Not too bad. Let's stack it.